Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forward Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the TUDIA MergeGrip case for the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Like I normally do my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get wireless charging? Do you have MagSafe on this case? Do you get grip? The overall fit, does it have bulk, just the normal things you look for in a case video. I need to give them a shout out for sending this case out to me for a review. I'll have the links in the description, that way you can pick it up even if you want to. The one thing I noticed straight from the packaging is how precise these folks at TUDIA are with the camera cutout. I mean, look at, what? They made it cover the whole thing. I mean, and they sent me out one in blue, and then this is like a cream or green. I didn't look up the color of this one, but this is like a green, lime green color. Nice packaging from them. But let's try this bad boy out. TUDIA has been making cases for many different phones, and they make some great cases now too. And I love the grip on here. Like, I mean, this is a, but look at that camera cutout, y'all. What? Little logo there too. But this bad boy, okay. Y'all seen that? Look at that. Now, that is probably the best coverage I've seen on a camera cutout for this phone so far. I mean, I don't think any case will top that. Bam. There's no need for a little cover in the back or anything, because that covers this completely. Power button is nice and tactile. Vine rockers are nice and easy. Everything lines up at the bottom there. The microphone at the top. This one doesn't have bulk at all. It's not a bulky case. And then the overall fit is really decent. I mean, again, around the power button, the vine rocker's not a bad deal there. But everywhere else is great. And then, y'all hear that snap. So the overall fit is really good too. I love the grip that you get on the back here too. Little TUDIA logo there. Now, I think they might have one that has MagSafe. This one does not. These cases do not. It doesn't look like they have MagSafe. But don't quote me on this, but I think that they will have some with MagSafe on it. But for me, it's not a big deal. Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge, as you can tell there. But again, no MagSafe. But with the Google Pixel, I mean, do you need MagSafe? I don't know. Y'all let me know, but I don't think it's a big deal. Doesn't have MagSafe on there. But it might be for y'all, so y'all let me know. But I do like the overall fit. I like the power button, the vine rockers. The camera cutout is top notch. The overall feel is good. I like this color too. I like this color in this case. Let's check out the blue one. Bam, here's the blue. Now the blue one has this piece in the black compared to this one almost matching the color. I don't know, which one do y'all like better? I like this blue though, because it has black around the power buttons and the vine rockers too. So this one has like a two-tone to it. Man. I don't know, which color do y'all like more? I'm a blue guy, so I think this blue and black looks great. I don't know, y'all pick out one. Do you like the blue or do you like the light green? They have different colors. I will have the links in the description. Like I said, checks off a lot of boxes for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forward Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.